In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to an Excel file using Adobe Acrobat. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you know exactly how to handle your documents with ease. Converting PDFs to Excel can be incredibly useful, especially when you need to manipulate data or perform calculations. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you haven't already done so, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once opened, navigate to your desired file. This can typically be done by clicking on File in the top left corner and selecting Open. From here, locate your PDF file, select it, and click Open. Now your PDF is ready to be converted. Next, we're moving on to the conversion process itself. With your PDF open in Acrobat, look towards the global toolbar at the top of your screen. This menu is packed with helpful tools, and for our purpose, you'll want to select the Convert option. Clicking on Convert will enable additional options for you to choose the desired output format. Once you've clicked Convert, a drop-down menu will appear next to the option labeled Microsoft Excel. This is where you have a choice to make. Adobe Acrobat allows you to convert your PDF into several different Excel formats, so you'll want to select either XLSX or XML based on what you're planning to do with the data afterward. Generally, XLSX is the more commonly used format for general Excel files, while XML can be beneficial if you're planning to engage in further data programming or classification. After you've selected your desired file format, it's time to click the Convert button. This action will trigger Acrobat to start converting your PDF into the Excel file format you selected. The time this takes can vary depending on the size of your PDF and the power of your computer, so be patient if it seems to be taking a while. Finally, you will need to save your newly converted file. Once the conversion is complete, a Save As dialog box will appear. Here, you'll choose the location on your computer where you'd like the Excel file to be saved. After selecting the appropriate folder, make sure to give your file an appropriate name so it's easy to find later, and then click Save. And there you have it. Your PDF has now been successfully converted to an Excel file using Adobe Acrobat. With these new skills, handling data from PDFs is a breeze. If you need to convert more files, simply repeat these steps. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.